been through it. I just seen it and seen that boy there.
I know this shit's like clay.
But if you test it out, we'll get it on video.
Yeah, it will be on video. It's over there that's bad. Yeah, that's soft. You will get stuck. Deep though? No, it's not deep.
How bad is this thing float?
Not like that Argo. It don't float like a boat. Oh man.
Dude, it's soft.
Yeah, it's very soft.
It's like where you
Oh, she's making it pretty good though. Is there trails on the other side of that?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go through here.
Yeah, that side.
Yes, that side.
I'd like to help that guy, but
Can't get it. I'm not going out there.
look at that Argo might have to get him. Yeah, he's just like, whatever. I'm in a boat with trash.
Yeah! Argo!
Look at him. Argos don't give a shit. Cost a fraction of the price. Hey, we told you it was soft. You good? I just wanted to stop here and get on camera a little bit more. Woo! There you go. Hey Brian, when they cleared all that main Rev Liver alley, and then this is like one of the first trails, wasn't it?
Yeah, we used to go through this way. Remember when it goes into the woods?
Yeah, yeah.
That trees came down with a hurricane.
Yeah.
We had to get through there.
Yep, I remember now. Like this is one of the first trails I remember where they expanded the park.
Yeah, it looks fine right now. It might be alright. It used to be that you couldn't get through because the hurricane came through, knocked a bunch of trees down.
I think they called it like Trail to Hell or some shit.
Yeah, yep,
Right?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
What about it? Going that way? No.
It used to be the Trail to Hell. It used to take us a long time to get through there.
Yeah, I don't know what it's like now. It's been a long time since I've been down there.
I mean, hey, we tried.
Yeah.
Always turn around.
Yep. Deep just looks nasty.
It's never been deep. I learned nasty.
Yeah. That little Honda just made it. I'm just kidding. That's a bad Honda.
Yeah, that's a pretty bad Honda.
Yeah, that's a bad Honda. I was
I'm
just
gonna go
messing.
through it. Yeah, back up.
Brian, you good? Holy shit. You coming back? Can people make it? Yeah, I don't know.
Let me at least try.
Brandon looks wore the hell out. All right, you ready to do that balancing act like that? Yeah.
I'll get off.
Woo! Real soft, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. I might go right there.
Can't freeze pull it.
He's gonna bring my strap over.
Just enough to.
The free spool is locked up.
Yeah, mine was locked up the other day, and I twisted it hard enough that I ripped the handle off. I'm like, so I got mine works, but free spool doesn't.
Very good. There you go.
Wasn't bad at all.
Yeah. I'm glad I went around.
Yeah, me too.
What the hell, Mark? Why did you follow us?
I made my own trail.
Trailblazing. It's just pulling right up into that ledge. There it goes. Little throttle. All right, hold on. Let me back up a little bit. You just get run over? Oh, fucking deer flies out here. Definitely trail to hell. That's,
Oh, that's the name of this?
yeah, good name.
Yeah.
In hindsight, we probably should have. We probably should have known a little better.
Usually you start at that end.
Oh,
When
yeah.
you come in, it gets worse and worse and worse.
Oh,
and
yeah.
You can't get out.
Oh.
You're stuck in hell.
They want you fully committed, and then
Well, once we make it past all the fire and brimstone, we'll be all right on the other side. Stay hard left. There you go. That's good. That's good. Up. Look it. Didn't even need a winch. What a beast. Hey. Yeah. Hey, Brandon, how come Ashton made it on a solid axle and you didn't make it on yours? Watch my rope. Watch my rope.
Watch out the rope.
Hey, you jinxed yourself yesterday. Was that your diff or your axles?
Gotta be my dip.
Is the rear one fine?
I checked the rear. The rear seems solid too. Yeah, I don't think it's the rear. I think it's the front. It sounds like I thought I checked the U-joint, but the exhaust is really fucking hot. Yeah. That's when you heard it. All right, let's see if we can go through there. If we're going back out, yeah, go jump on mine. And go that to the right.
What are we doing?
I think we'll pull back out if hers is having that many problems. I mean, I don't know.
Suck. Don't go too far. Unsuccessful. We only made it a little bit before everybody started breaking shit. How you doing? I'm Sean. On Nasty79. I always follow you guys.
Oh, man.
Badass right here. What's that?
I believe it's in.
Yeah? Nice, man.